Hey guys, welcome. It's Kelvin here once again. Yeah, so in my previous video we actually did Ariaria, how to play or approach Ariaria kind of music, Africa Ariaria style of play, right? So in this video I actually promised previously I'm going to do more of Ariaria kind of play. So I'm here again with it. So in this particular video we're actually using this song. I never see any god like you, right? I never see any god like you, right? So I never see any god like you. So using the progression, right? So I'm just using this song as a reference. So I never 4, 5, 4, 1. You get it? 4, 5. I never fall any god. So let me just play the line once or twice and I spell and call out the notes. So right? Sorry. Let me play it slow now. So do fa 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 mi re so then do ti so, right? Ti so, the first one, then do fa 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 mi re, then so do mi so then do so do mi, sorry, so do mi so then do so, right? So ti so fa 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 mi re, so do mi so then do so. You get it? The first one is do so, the second one is ti so, right? So fa mi re, so do mi do so. You get it? So ti so fa mi re, do so. You get it? So do so and ti so, right? In that particular circle. So slowly now, let's play slowly. Alright, so do fa 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 mi re so then right, then do, then ti so, sorry, ti so, do fa 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 mi re so ti so, do fa 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 mi re so do mi so then do so, right? Do fa 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 mi re so ti so, do fa 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 mi re so do mi so do so, right? So right, so that's the progression. So I never see any girl like so actually use a metronome, right? Try as much as possible use a metronome, but start very slow. It's going to help you. Start as slow as possible, then before you start stepping up the tempo, and try to make sure your notes are clean and clear, right? Another thing, try to make sure while playing your hands is not kind of at the middle or back. It should be around here, close to the neck or somewhere around here, right? It's going to give you that round sound. Like I said earlier in my previous video, try to make sure your bass sound round, right? Put more of the low. You can cut down your mid and high. So put a little of the mid and a little of the high, right? You just need that low end, and right, you should give it that rubber round sound, right? So you see how it's sounding, right? It's sounding round and kind of rubbery, right? So that's how it is. So fa 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 mi re so 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 re so 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 ti so do fa 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 mi re so do mi do do. Right, so right, I never see any God like you, right? I never see any God. So just try it out continuously. Practice as much as possible, right? So yes, I think I'm going to drop more videos on this. Yes, with different progression. So it's actually going to help you navigate how to approach Ariaria music, right? So yes, please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please, I'd love you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification to get updates whenever I drop new videos. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.